Hello ABN viewers, I'm Kulkarni. Today I will be showing you a recipe which is very popular across most of the South Indian states. The dish is made from soaked sabudana and can be relished as breakfast or snack. Kids love it and Navratri is incomplete without this. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Sabudana Khichdi. Let's start. Take 1 cup of sabudana in a bowl and soak it overnight. For 1 cup of sabudana, use 1 cup of water or add water till the sabudana are fully soaked. Cover this and keep it aside for 4 hours. After 4 hours, the sabudana will look something like this. You can mash it with your finger to see if it's become soft. Now add the soaked sabudana to a bowl. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of groundnut powder to it and mix well. Add coriander leaves, mix well again. Set this aside while we prepare for our next step. Take a pan and add 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. Add cumin seeds, asafoetida. Then add the grated ginger and green chilies and stir well. Add the ground nuts, approximately 2 to 3 spoons. Roast it mildly. Then add curry leaves and mix well. Add the boiled potatoes next. This recipe usually can be relished for breakfast and snacks, and surely kids will love them. Now add a spoon of chili powder and turmeric powder to it and mix well. Finally, add the prepared sabudana to the pan and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix well. And at the end, add salt. You can add the salt according to your taste. And squeeze a lime. Give it one last mix. And the sabudana is ready to be served.